Hello and welcome to the Cartoon Club. My name is Jack, and in this episode I'll be showing you how to draw a cartoon lion. So what we'll start with is we'll start with the nose of the lion. So it's just an upside down triangle. So that's the nose, and then we'll draw two little vertical lines to be the nostrils. And then we'll draw a downwards line from the bottom point of the triangle, just a small little line. And then the rest of the mouth will start from this point and we'll curve around past the triangle and towards the top. So what we'll do is we'll start with that curve. So start at the point, curve round past the triangle, and then we'll do the same on the other side as well. And then we'll just add another little line down here, a curved line, and that'll just be the bottom of the mouth. So start at the lowest point of those curves, bring that together. And then what we'll do is we'll draw the eyes of the lion. So they're two circles sort of below the end of this line. So two circles here. And then we'll just do the same on the other side. And then we'll draw a line across with the eyelid of the lion. And then we'll draw a small little dot in the middle. That will just be the pupil of the lion. And then for the rest of the face, we're going to be drawing a circle, starting a fair distance away from the top of the mouth. And then we'll work all the way round till we reach just past the nose. So we'll start near the top. Work round. And then we'll just do the same on the other side. So that is the face, and then we'll draw the ears on as well. So the ears will follow this curve that we set, but they'll be placed a little bit further away, sort of in a diagonal point from the eyes. So the curves will go here, that's the start of one ear, and then it's just a curve around, and then a smaller curve on the inside. And then it's the same on this side. And then with the mane of the lion, the hair, it's basically following this outline but expanding it. So the line will follow this curve that we set on the face. But we're going to add in some points just to make the hair fluffy. It's not going to be a straight line. So I'm only doing the outline of the fur first. Remember, the closer you get to the bottom, the more the lines curve downwards. And then we'll just do the same on the opposite side. And then what we'll do is just add some other little points just to make sure the hair is finished. Remember, the hair's pointing downwards, so all these curves are facing towards the bottom of the page. And then what we'll do is we'll add in the whiskers of the lion as well. So 1, 2, 3. And then it's just the same on the other side as well. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. That is the lion drawn. That's the face of the lion. And now, if we are wanting to draw the body, I'm going to draw the body sort of sat down, sort of on a kind of resting phase. So what I'm going to do So I'm going to focus on the paws of the lion, the feet. So they're mainly just circles. So what we'll do is we'll start towards the bottom here, but they're split into 3 different fingers of the lion. So the first paw we're going to put at the front here. So it'll just be, that's the first finger. That's the second finger. And the third finger will wrap all the way around towards the end. So I'm making sure that those look like 3 individual fingers of the lion. And then for the arm, we're just going to do a curvy line. And then just one more little tiny line there. So that's the front arm, that's the front paw as well. And then we'll do the same sort of thing over on this left side. So this will be the right paw of the lion. So it will be a curved line. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. And then we'll do the same curvy line that we did earlier as well. So it's just that curve up there. And then the same little line there as well. We'll just draw a little line for the body. So that's the front 2 paws. And then we'll focus on one of the back legs. So this paw's at the front, but the back paw is going to be the same sort of level as this paw on the far left. But we'll move it over here. And it's the same approach again. So it's 3 paws, 3 fingers, I mean. 1, 2, 3, and then wrap around. And then we'll add in that curvy line, but the curvy line will continue all the way around towards the top, because that'll be its back leg. So start the curve and work it all the way around. And we'll add in another one of those little lines here. But then we'll also add in a line here for the rest of its leg, because it's got quite a big leg. So it's the same sort of line here. Almost imagine it as a massive circle, but we have to leave a bit of a gap there. And then we'll add in a line for the top of its body as well. We'll actually bring it down a little bit more. And then we'll start this line here over. And then it's got its belly to add in as well. So the belly will start low and then work higher up. It'd be like a curved line. So there you go. And then what we'll do is we'll add in a tail to the lion as well. So add in a little curvy tail. So we'll start about halfway across that back leg, and it will be a curvy line. Then we'll do another one that's the same curve. And with the fluff of fur at the end, it'll be similar to how we did those spiky fur on the mane. So we'll do a little tiny curve there, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we'll just join those bits up. There you go. That is a easy way to draw a cartoon lion. So if you could like this video and subscribe. When you subscribe, you'll be able to see some of my new uploads. The next upload of this will be me finishing off the lion by colouring it in, similar to the last video when I drew a fish. So yeah, if you could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.